Welcome to everybody. So in this semester I'm handling the paper is managing cloud and containerization. It is a lab integrated subject. So today we are going to see the topic is introduction to cloud computing. First, you know the meaning of what is cloud computing. Cloud computing means is a delivery of computing services with the help of internet. So delivering of computing services means we have a n number of services like server services, storage services, database services. So depending upon our requirement, we have to choose any one of the services. Okay, so cloud computing means is a delivery of computing services with the help of internet. This is the meaning of cloud computing. And next one is on-premises data center. So before going to the cloud computing concept, first you know the idea about on-premises data center. In olden days and all, every corporate companies use the on-premises data center. So on-premises data center means is nothing but is used to manage everything in a single building. That is the on name it as on-premises data center. Suppose I want to build one startup company means what and all I needed? I need the hardware, software, operating system, network connectivities. So everything is available in the on-premises data center. After doing all the setup, we become responsible for maintaining it through as entire life cycle. It's right. I'm the responsibility for everything. So I'm itself monitoring the day-to-day activity and I'm itself monitoring the every employees in a every activities. So I am the responsible. So that is the on-premises data center. So once you doing this process in a regular way means it is a very stress and it is very burden for us because every day to day we itself monitoring and maintenance is very tough one. Okay, and also whenever the operating system is a updated version will come means we have to pay the extra amount, and after that you have to install the updated version and we use it. So this and all it is a burden one. So to overcome this problem we have to use the cloud computing concept. Okay, when we choose the cloud computing concept, we have a lot of cloud vendors. So the cloud vendors should take whole responsible for your hardware, purchasing, monitoring and maintenance. They should take over all the work. Okay, yeah. And here also we have a variety of software and platform as a services. So you can take any required services in a on demand or on rented process. Okay, why I am saying it is a on demand and a on rented process means whatever the services you pick, the services will be charged based on the usage. I will tell one simple example. Suppose in olden days and all, if you want to need any operating system means first you have to pay the amount, then after that you have to install the OS in your system. Then once the installation is completed, you can use it. But here when you're using the cloud computing means you will not pay the full amount. You just choose whatever OS you needed. You just choose the services, and after that they ask the duration of the services. Suppose my purpose is I needed the only 2 days for this operating system means I will choose the 2 days purpose, and it will charge depending upon our usage it will charge. Okay, yeah. So the only the 2 days only they will put a charge. So that's why the cloud computing services will be charged based on the usage. So depending upon our usage only they will put a charge. So when you be using the cloud computing we have to reducing our cost, and whatever the latest version also we have to use. Okay, yeah. So that's why the cloud computing is a very useful for nowadays. So these are the pictorial representation of the cloud computing. So like that you have to choose the n number of services you needed. Okay, yeah. And next one is these are the cloud providers. So nowadays we have lot of cloud providers. These are the familiar cloud providers. You already know the DigitalOcean, VMware, Microsoft Assurance, Amazon Web Services, IBM Cloud, Google Cloud Platform. So these are the some cloud providers. Okay. So in your syllabus, we are going to learn about the Amazon Web Services. So in upcoming sections and all, we have to learn the Amazon Web Services. Okay. And these are the advantages of the cloud computing. So the cost is very affordable one, the speed is very fast, scalability is the efficiency one, and productivity, reliability, and security one. Okay, so these are the types of cloud computing. We have a two model, one is deployment model and another one is services model. Deployment model means it's nothing but your cloud should be in a public mode or private mode or hybrid mode, so whichever mode you needed. And services model means here we have a lot of services. So this is a basic services, infrastructure as a services, we name it as IaaS, software as a services, SaaS, platform as a services. So depending upon your requirement, you have to choose the services. And this is the definition of the cloud computing. Cloud refer to a network or the internet. It is a technology that use remote server on the internet to store, manage, and access data online rather than the local drives. Okay, the data can be anything such as file, image, documentation, audio, video, and more. Okay, so this is the definition of cloud. So by using the cloud, we have to done this kind of operations and all, developing new application and services, storage, backup, and recovery of data, then delivery of software on demand process. So like that, we have to do the n number of operations. And these are the some familiar characteristics of the cloud computing. Agility, that is by using the cloud computing, your work is very fast, and high availability and reliability, high scalability, multi-sharing, and device and locations or independency. You will not depend anyone. It is independency, and maintenance also is very easy one. Do not need to be installed on each user computer. You can access from anywhere. Okay, it is a low cost, it is an affordable one, and services in a pay per use mode. So cloud computing is a on demand or on rented basis. So depending upon your usage only, they will put a charge. Okay, thank you for watching. Thank you.